Howdy folks, yeah, today without my selfie stick because it's broken yesterday. Yeah, today is my tour from Stein to Funders, which is also in Tyrol or still Italy. And yeah, today is really tough because it's a black one. More than 1,100 vertical meter up and 1,400 down. So yeah, could be a little bit exhausting today. But yeah, anyway, yeah, see ya soon. Little random fact, there's both dudes yesterday which gave me a ride to Stein. Said they are from Tyrol or South Tyrol, which is still Italy. And Tyrol was once before the First World War, and after the First World War Italy got South Tyrol, and the both dudes told me, yeah, they still belong to Tyrol or to Austria because most of them speak still German, and yeah, that's like it is. Okay. Okay, yeah, I did it to the Gliederscharte, which is 2,644 above the sea level, and the hardest part today. Now going to Funders, which is kind of a big city where you find, you know, ATMs, supermarkets, and everything else. And today I learned from my mistakes. I called the hotel in Funders and asked about a room or a bed, and she said, yeah, of course, it's the last one. I said, lucky me. So yeah, this is my tip for you. Call the next place where you want to sleep, and then call them and say, hey, do you have a space or a room for me? Otherwise, yeah. And if you're really, really smart, then do it 2 days before. Hey, little shing wing. Okay, welcome to Funders. Yeah, it's a small town, but here you have the only possibility to buy stuff in the supermarket like beverage, food, anything, but not on Sunday. Today is Sunday, so I screwed up. Anyway, what should I say? My guidebook told me, yep, today we have a tough daily goal because it's black, and as they said, 18 kilometers, more than 8 hours, and 1,100 vertical meters up and 1,500 meters down. So it's quite tough though. The thing is, I made it in 6 hours, and the conclusion today is after a specific time you get used to it. I mean, of course, at the beginning, you heard me, it was like cursing all the time. It was like, fuck, 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 motherfuck, motherfuck, noise. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, noise. Smoke it weed, doing coke, drinking beers, rolling fat and smoke some blunts. Who smokes the blunts? We smoke some blunts. Roll and smoke the... Ooh, let me get a nickel back. 15 bucks, little man, put that shit in my hand. If that money doesn't show it, oh me, oh. A jungle, yeah. Oh me, oh. I think you're one million. I love Jay and Silent Bob. Good start in the morning. Yeah, good morning, here's Rocky. I dropped my toothbrush in the toilet, so perfect start in the morning. Of course, it has happened to me. Anyways, today is the daily goal to the Kreuzwiesenhütte. But first I have to buy a new toothbrush. Yeah, it's always clear where you have to go, huh? The good thing is you get everything on your road, like corn or an apple. By the way, on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. I take that back from yesterday. It's so exhausting. Fuck off. Did you get used to it? That's quite funny because the sun is burning. And the dudes yesterday told me, hey Rocky, you have a sunburn in your face. Said, oh, yeah, they said, hey, you don't use sunblock. I said, no, actually I had a cowboy hat, but I lost that thing in a car window. So, actually that should protect my face, but hey, now it's gone. I don't have the sunblocker, so get a good brown tongue. Ooh, guys, I found a really delicious mushroom in Austria, and in Germany they call it Steinpilz. And they aren't magic mushrooms. They are really delicious, really tasty with onions and bacon. Yep, these are magic mushrooms. If you cook that with hot water and drink that, then yeah, have a nice trip. A friend told me that, of course. Yo, welcome to the Kreuzwiesenhippe. Welcome to the Kreuzwiesenalm. The tour today was difficult, not the beginning, more the end. But yeah. I was wondering the last days because it was very expensive, and I figured it out today. Basically, if you're a member of the Deutsche Alpenverein, which is an association and controls kind of specific houses in the mountains of Austria and Germany, and if you're a member, you pay just between 8 and 15 euros a night plus €5 breakfast. However, in Italy they don't have that. So that means all the houses, all the hotels are private, and they make their own prices. For example, today I pay 35 euro a night. Okay, that included breakfast, but 35 euro that you sleep with 24 strangers in one room. It's a little bit too expensive. Yeah. Anyway, pay attention. If you're running out with money up Italy, it gets very expensive. Yeah. So what? That is my next goal tomorrow. It calls kind of the door of the Dolomites, and yeah, we see you tomorrow there.